So over here, you can see that I have a note opened up right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to export out the notes right here in other formats. So in that case, what you can do is you can click on the more actions on the notes section right here. And here you can see export is an option. So if I were to go around and click on export, then you can see that you can export this in ENEX format right here, which is a format native to Evernote. So you can use this file to export it and share it with other people. But what I'm going to do is select single web page right here, which is an HTML format, which is much more universal format that you can access with web browsers. So you can select all of these information right here that you want to export as well. So I'm just going to keep everything right here and click on export. Once I do that, if I were to go around onto desktop and click on save right here, then what happens is that it exports out the note, as you can see right here. So if I were to go around onto my desktop, so let me just go around over here. And then let me just go around over here, exit out of full screen right here by pressing F11. You can see that there's this note that is exported right here. So if I were to go around, this is an HTML document, as you can see right here. So if I were to double click, you can see that this note is exported in HTML format right here. So that is what you have right here, as you can see, just like this. And apart from those formats, you can also export the note as a PDF document. So if I were to select this, then what happens is that I have this option where I'm given an option to export this as PDF, as you can see, turn it into a landscape PDF or a portrait PDF, and you can work around with the paper size, as you can see right here. You can also go around and change around the margins right here, just like this. And here you can see that you can also access more options if you are using an upgraded version. But I'm just going to go around and click on export right here. And on my desktop, let me just click on save. And what happens is that it's generating a PDF, as you can see right here. And this is the PDF document that has been exported right here, just like this. And this is how you can go around and export out notes from Evernote. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.